Hi, do you want to learn how to create your own WhatsApp link for your e-commerce business communication? Now in Malaysia, we love to use WhatsApp. But if you want your customers to WhatsApp you and you are a stranger, it's a hassle to WhatsApp you on the phone because they need to key in your phone number into your contact and then connect it, then open up your WhatsApp and then type the message and send it to you. So it's so much trouble, and especially when you ask them to WhatsApp them in your Facebook post, they have to remember the numbers. Okay, it's like me, it's very difficult to remember all the numbers. So it takes me a few times to only remember and key in such a hassle. At the end, I wouldn't want to even contact the person who posts the post. Are there a better way how to do that? Today, I'm going to share with you one simple way that one click your customers or your potential customers can directly connect or send you the message without having to key in your contact number in their phone book. Okay, let me show you how. Now, I know in the market there are many of these services, but you don't have to subscribe to this service because you may not know whether they take your information or not. So one way is that directly we're using the WhatsApp API that can help you, and it's very simple. So step one, what you want to do is that just go and open up a Word file or any text or notes file. Just type in HTTPS because all website comes with this // and then remember whatsapp.me. So it's like WhatsApp me. Yeah, very simple. Then / your phone number. So right now I'm in Malaysia, my phone number will be like 6011234567. Don't put any plus sign or dash sign, don't do that. So what you're going to do is that just put in all numbers, take away all the plus sign and all this, and then automatically, if you copy this link, yeah, so just copy this and then you can paste it into your Facebook post, and then people click on that link, they will automatically go inside their WhatsApp and then they can message you. Now, let me take one step further. So once you have this, I show you another better trick, because if we're in an e-commerce, we don't sell only one product. So or when you click, people sometimes they don't know how to, or they have to even type, please send me blah blah blah, all this stuff. You see. So if I'm selling kuih, yeah, so I got red kuih, blue kuih, so many different kuih, right? You know, Malaysian we love kuih, right? So kuih is a cake, yeah. So there's so many different types. So how are they going to message you? So make it easy for your customers so that they can send a message to you easier. Step 2, I'm going to teach you more advanced. So what I'm going to do is the same thing. Once you have this, what you're going to do is that put a question mark text equals. Then type the message you want them to send to you. Make it very simple. Let's say the text is send me details on red kuih. You see here there's a link, there's a missing link. So in the IT world, a space is signified by a percentage 20. So what you're going to do is that you just take that percentage 20, you just copy it and then paste it. Make sure there's no space, paste, yeah. Paste. Okay, so Now your whole link is done. So when people click on this link, the message will come out exactly. Let me show you how. So let me copy this, and then I'll go to my browser. Okay, I'm at my browser right now. So what I do is that you just copy the link from just now, the text, and then you paste it here. So once you key in, you paste it here, you'll be seeing this. Now, of course, I'm at my desktop. If you click that link on your mobile, it straight away, it will goes inside their WhatsApp, and then with all these pre or fixed so-called text that you set, so that they don't even have to type, and then they can just click send, and then they'll automatically send to you. You can customize this. If you have like red kuih or red cake, then you put red cake. So if you promote on a blue cake, and then you just put blue cake, this will be very simple for them to send you the message. All you need is just take 1 or 2 steps. You can create this, and then this will be so much easier for your customer to connect to you. So when you promote, next time when you promote in your Facebook post, remember to create this link, and then so that people can immediately click and contact you. Now, if you like these tips, please share with your friend and subscribe to this channel. We will share a weekly content on how you can learn to start and grow your e-commerce business. Now, by the way, if you like this video, we have a special e-commerce training for you for free right now. It's I believe it's like 11 to 13 video modules that you can learn for free during this period of time. My advice is that go register right now while it is free and learn how to start your e-commerce business.